Welcome to Belly Breath, to this calming and transformative meditation. Take a moment to find a quiet space where you can relax and connect with yourself deeply. Let's embark on a peaceful journey together, tuning into your inner world. Now, let's begin. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, settle into a comfortable position that feels just right for you. Allow yourself to fully arrive in this moment. When you're ready, gently close your eyes and let your awareness float inward. Imagine a soft, warm light slowly spreading from the top of your head, cascading down your body like a gentle waterfall. Feel this light as it moves, relaxing your forehead, softening your eyes, and melting any tension in your jaw. As you breathe in, envision the light filling your lungs, and as you exhale, watch it expand outward, radiating warmth and peace. Sense the light embracing your shoulders, easing away the weight they carry, and continue down your arms, releasing all tension from your hands and fingertips. Now, bring your focus to your heart and imagine this light glowing brighter within, as if your heart is a warm sun radiating love and kindness throughout your entire being. With each inhale, feel this warmth grow stronger. And with each exhale, allow it to wash away any worries or stress. Let yourself be guided by the sensations within your body. As the light travels down your spine, feel it unraveling any knots of tension, soothing your lower back and flowing down into your legs. Notice how each breath nourishes your muscles, inviting them to relax completely. Imagine that with each breath, you are drawing in energy from the earth beneath you. Visualize roots growing from the soles of your feet, grounding you deeply into the earth. Feel the stability, the unwavering support beneath you as these roots draw up nourishing energy, fueling your body with each inhale. Allow yourself to feel safe, cradled by the earth. In this space, explore the sensation of gratitude. Gratitude for your breath, your body, and this moment of stillness. Let this gratitude expand, filling you up as you breathe deeply and steadily. Begin to visualize yourself standing on the shore of a calm, vast ocean. The sky above is painted in hues of soft pink and lavender as the sun sets in the distance. Feel the cool, gentle breeze on your skin and listen to the soothing rhythm of the waves meeting the shore. As you stand here, sense that each wave that flows towards you brings in peace and calm. While every wave that recedes carries away any burdens or stress. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more attuned to the natural rhythm of the ocean. Inhaling peace, exhaling tension. The gentle sound of the water is like a lullaby, reminding you that you are connected to something greater, something infinitely vast and nurturing. Imagine the ocean's waters now transforming into a pool of shimmering light. Step into this light, feeling its warmth envelop you, dissolving any remaining tightness or tension. Allow yourself to float effortlessly, supported by this luminous sea, feeling weightless and free. Let your body relax even more deeply. Trusting this ocean of light to hold you. There's nothing you need to do right now but surrender to this moment. Surrender to the light that cradles you so lovingly. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Feeling the subtle rise and fall of your belly. Slowly start to sense the weight of your body against the surface you are resting on. Feeling grounded and secure. Wiggle your fingers and toes, stretching in any way that feels good to you. Take your time to come back. Open your eyes gently when you feel ready, and bring this sense of calm and lightness into the rest of your day. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today. If you enjoyed this meditation, please like, share, and subscribe to Belly Breath. Your support helps us continue creating these peaceful moments and wishing you a serene and beautiful day ahead.